Scams are everywhere online, but this is my fourth video in the series showing real USA side hustles making $5,000 per month. These side hustles are proven, realistic, and easy to start part-time without any special degree or license. Today we cover 5 hustles. These are in high demand in USA. Each of these hustles has real demand in the USA and can generate $4,000 to $5,000 monthly if done consistently. Follow along and discover which hustle matches your skills, schedule, and lifestyle for steady income. This is part 4 of my USA Side Hustle series, showing real ways people earn money without scams or fake promises. Number 1. Garage cleaning. Garage cleaning is a high-demand service in suburban USA, paying $150 to $600 per job depending on size and clutter. Most homeowners avoid cleaning garages, creating consistent opportunity for cleaners who show up reliably. A typical garage cleaning takes 2 to 4 hours, and repeat customers are common if service quality is high. Advertise locally using Facebook Marketplace or Nextdoor to quickly reach clients in your neighborhood. Adding services like attic or shed organization can boost earnings per visit and attract premium clients. Weekend jobs pay more as homeowners are available, allowing flexible schedules for higher income. Tools needed are minimal: broom, mop, storage bins, vacuum, and cleaning products for small investment. Some cleaners earn over $5,000 per month by combining multiple suburban neighborhoods and repeat clients. High-quality service and trust lead to referrals, a key factor for scaling this hustle fast in the USA. Promoting services with before and after photos on Instagram boosts credibility and attracts clients fast. Maintain consistency, show up on time, and clients often pay tips or additional services. This hustle is simple, in demand, and one of the few home services where beginners can earn $5,000 per month. Number 2. Website testing. Website testing is booming in the USA. Companies pay $15 to $50 per test to get real user feedback on websites and apps. Each test typically takes 10 to 30 minutes, and platforms like User Testing connect you with clients fast. Multiple tests per day can easily generate $300 to $500 daily for part-time workers in the USA. No experience is required, all you need is a computer, internet, and honest feedback skills. Websites across e-commerce, apps, and software platforms constantly need testing to improve user experience. Some professional testers earn $5,000 per month by combining multiple testing platforms consistently. Feedback quality is crucial. Detailed observations are highly valued and often tip-worthy. Platforms often pay weekly via PayPal, providing fast and secure earnings in the USA. Flexibility is unmatched. Test sites anytime, anywhere, making it a perfect remote side hustle. Combine website testing with other side hustles, and earning $5,000 per month becomes realistic. Consistency and signing up on multiple platforms maximizes daily earning potential. This hustle is simple, safe, and perfect for Americans seeking legitimate online income. Number 3. Custom mug printing. Custom mug printing is a creative USA side hustle with high profit potential, especially for niche designs. You can start with under $200 using a heat press, blank mugs, and design software like Canva. Selling through Etsy, Shopify, or local markets generates steady income in the USA. Each mug can sell for $15 to $35, depending on design, and bulk orders increase profits. Holiday seasons and special events can double demand, giving huge earning spikes. Marketing on Instagram and TikTok reaches real buyers looking for unique gifts. Combine personalization with popular trends to increase repeat customers and brand trust. USA customers value quality. Ensure heat transfer is perfect to build consistent reputation. With 10 to 15 mugs per week, monthly earnings of $4,000 to $5,000 are achievable. Shipping packaging should be professional. Presentation matters to repeat clients. This side hustle combines creativity, simple tools, and reliable online sales for solid income. Consistency, marketing, and quality control are keys to making $5,000 per month with custom mugs. Number 4. Prescription Pickup. Prescription pickup is a USA side hustle helping seniors or busy people get their medicine safely. Apps like Instacart or local community boards connect you with clients needing quick deliveries. Each pickup pays $15 to $30, and multiple deliveries per day can quickly add up. Safety and accuracy are crucial. Verify prescriptions and maintain clear communication. This side hustle works best in suburban or urban USA areas with high demand for convenience. Flexible hours let you combine prescription pickups with other side hustles for full income. Repeat clients trust reliable service, helping you earn $4,000 to $5,000 per month. Safety, punctuality, and professionalism are your keys to scaling this side hustle in the USA. Combine deliveries with errands for efficiency and maximize your hourly earnings. Prescription pickup is a legitimate, needed, and flexible side hustle for consistent monthly income. Number 5. Lawn Mowing. Lawn mowing remains one of the highest demand USA side hustles for quick, repeatable income. Homeowners pay $30 to $80 per lawn, with larger yards paying $100 plus per session. Weekend and seasonal jobs increase earnings dramatically in the USA. Offering additional services like trimming, edging, or leaf removal boosts profits per visit. Repeat clients make lawn mowing a consistent monthly income source, perfect for $5,000 per month. Marketing locally via flyers, Facebook groups, and word of mouth ensures steady client growth. Combining multiple neighborhoods and efficient scheduling maximizes earnings in a short time. These 5 side hustles are real, flexible, and proven ways Americans earn $5,000 per month.